Hey, hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a table tag. So, what is a table? Table is nothing but a collection of columns and rows. Everyone knows this. These tables are designed with the help of table tag. With the help of table tag, we can design the tables, right? So, here, just you observe the table. This is suppose you can think about table. And table may contain in a first line headings like a S number, student name. Suppose student marks. And this is nothing but this entire columns are nothing but one row. Everyone knows that, right? So this is a row 1, and suppose we are having this row 2 and row 3 and row 4 and row 5, right? So table, this entire one is a table. Suppose this table may contain totally 3 columns and 5 rows, totally 5 rows, and each row may contain 3 columns, right? So each rows can be, tables can be designed with a table tag. Table can be designed with a table tag, and rows can be designed with the help of tr tag, table row. And within the row, there are number of cells are there. These are 3 cells. That row, within the row, the cells are designed with td tag, table data. Is right or not? In the same way, we design this table, the very sample table we try to design. Just you observe, we need to open Visual Studio Code. This is our sample code, and we need to go live server. I want to open. Nothing is there, right? Nothing. Table tags. You observe table tags, and these are tables. First, the tables may design with the help of table tag, right? The table tag is open. So next, we require table row. How many rows we require? First, we think about only one single row, tr tag. Within the tr tag, how many cells we require? td, say table cell, right? And we don't want to think, right? 1 td and one more td. Totally 3 tds we required. But Srikanth, everything is there, but the table is not visible. Just observe, the table is not visible right now. So for that, I want to place some data for visualizing our table. First column name is S number. Just observe S number. And S name, student name. And again you observe S marks. Is right? 3 columns. But everything is okay, Srikanth, but how we can recognize this is a table? For that, everyone, if in case the table having a border, definitely we can confirm this is a table, right? Table, border, just border. Defaultly the border value is 0. Actually the default border value is 0. Just observe 0. 0 means no border. There is a default value. Suppose we are providing 1. Automatically it provides border for entire row, entire table, and each cell. Is right. The same thing I want to open in a different browsers I want to open. The first one in same display and Firefox. Actually, why I am opening in different browsers? Some situations the content may be different in each browser. The browsers are updated now. For that, maybe chance. So here first row is finished, right? This is row 1. Again we required one more row, that is tr. Again one more row, and we required td. How many tds we required? 3 columns, 3 cells we required, right? Again one more td and one more td. Totally 3 3ds, right? Without any data. First one, serial number 1 I am taking, and next one more data is Srikanth, student name is Srikanth, and another one, suppose student marks, he got like 75 marks in different subject, I don't know, right? So in this way we can place. Not only that, suppose we want to place another row in the sense tr tag. Again within the tr tag we need to place table data. So we can place 3 times, right? Again one more time. So here we need to place number 2 and Ravi, and here we provide 88 marks, suppose. But some situation I want to place one more, I want to add extra table cell, right? I want to add extra table cell, but actually the initially table headers are only 3. So if in case when I am trying to add one more cell, what happens? Just you observe. Table cell, I need to add location Hyderabad, HYD, right? Just observe. It never restrict. So actually it having 3 rows, 3 columns only in a table header, but in a third row we place extra one more column, but it never restrict. That is your choice. In this way we can design. Suppose I want to add one more table row, copy, and I want to add one more, right? Table cell. Suppose here in a Ravi place I want to place Raju, and he got like 98 marks, right? So in this way we can attach n number of rows and n number of columns we may attach to this table. And again we and this table tag containing multiple attributes that are like align and width, height, and this is it, align, right? Align, width, height, bg color and background, so on. So these properties we can discuss, right? So here within that Visual Studio Code I make clear idea, you will get clear idea. The first one, I don't want to add this additional cell for disturbing our table look. This is our table, right? First of all, I am removing this. I want to place this one. First one, I want to add this border color. Defaultly this border having different black color, right? I want to add different color, that is a border color. I want to make like red. Just observe, red. Border color is increase. But I want to add one more. I want to place background color for this table. So how can we add bg color attribute? Bg color equal, what color we need to provide? Suppose a blue, I may provide blue, so that is a blue, but it is not a good up here, right? I want to pink, I can use pink, it's nice. And again I want to add one more attribute, that is align attribute, ALIGN. Align means where you want to place. Suppose you require to place center, your table is in center, that will be moved to center. Suppose you want to place your table at right side, right, automatically it jumps to right. Default align value is left. Suppose you can place center, right, automatically it jumps to center. And again you want to provide some height and width to your table. So first I want to provide width to my table 60 pixels. Just observe what happens. Nothing to change. 160 pixels, then it changed. And I want to provide a height equal to 250 pixels, that is changed, right? And I want to provide like a width is also 260, then that is a difference, right? And I want to give space to one cell to another cell. There are cells are the very conjectured, right? One cell to another cell, there is no space. For that I want to provide space between these two cells with the help of cell spacing. With the help of cell spacing it is a possible. Suppose cell spacing I am using here 10. Automatically the cell is it provides some space between one cell to another cell. but again that serial number, the content is not placed at center, otherwise it is a cross is there, right? It touched a left side border of the cell, right? But I want to change that, I want to provide space to that text to border, right? With the help of cell padding, it is a possible. Cell padding 10 I am providing, that is different, right? You observe 25 I am placing, so automatically the text is moved. Without this, then what happened? The content is attached with a table border. But when I am providing this cell padding value, automatically the content and cell border, just observe, this is cell border and content, the space is generated right now. So in this way we can provide. Cell spacing means between one cell to another cell is nothing but cell spacing. Suppose I am changing here 20 and suppose I want to change 30, automatically increase, right? So in this way we can provide. So here we are adding entire table to one color, but there is any requirement is there is any chance is there for providing one particular color to one particular row, entire row I want to change. So this is one Srikanth is there na, this is a row, I want to change a color to different color, means I want to provide different color to this particular row. BG color equal to I like white color is there, and again I want to highlight this Srikanth with the different color. Again actually this entire table color is different, right? And again I want to change this particular cell color in a table row, this particular row. So just observe again within the Srikanth cell, BG color, so I want to place green, automatically it updates, is right. So everything is okay Srikanth. You provide border color and background color and particular cell color, particular row color. Is it right? It is a possible to place table caption, table name. So with the help of caption tag, you can provide. This is student information. Suppose student info, where is placed at the top of the table, automatically it is there. Is it right? Student information, automatically the information is appeared on table, right? So and again it is a possible to split your table, right? One cell may divide into number of columns or number of rows. It is a possible. Yes, it is a possible. Suppose there is a serial number is there, I want to divide this serial number into two parts, two cells. Just observe, this is a serial number, how you can change that serial number? With the help of column span, COLSPAN, column span. How many cells you want to divide? Two cells. Automatically your cell, just observe, this is a table, it divides now clearly. This is a border, a table border, two cells. Suppose you want to make 3, under serial number only 3 cells are there, and you try to provide 4. It is not possible. Why? Because there is no cell, right? If in case when you add another cell for this, just observe, copy, paste, again it increases. When we are adding additional cell for particular row, automatically it takes. Why? Because the table column span value is 4, automatically it takes, and it is possible for one cell may divide into row span. Yes, it is a possible. Row span is also possible. Row span means one cell may divide into the one cell. Serial number again, this one horizontally, right? Vertically and horizontally. That is a difference in a column span and a row span. In this way, and again everything is okay Srikanth, you did everything is good, but every table may having table headers, means the first columns always with a bold color, right or not? So this S number and S name is bold color. Every table having a top cells are bold face, but Srikanth, it's a normal font face is there now. And it is possible to change. Yes, it is possible to change with a table the table data may done with TD, right? When we are using TH, automatically it is a table. Boldface it will be possible. TH. Yes, TH. And again it updates. Again TH. So in this way we can change table headers. What is the difference between TH and TD? Very simple, both are similar. The difference is nothing but the TH tag content. The TH tag content is represented in a boldface, and TD tag content can represented in normal face. That is only difference. And again I want to ask one question. So Srikanth, everything is good in table, right? Everything is good. You place very clearly. But my question is that within the one cell you may place another table. Means I am asking, nested table is possible or not? Nested table in the sense one cell is allowing another table. Within the cell we may place another table. So my answer is the nested tables are allowed. It's a valid, right? In HTML is supporting for nested tables. Just how we can write. So don't confuse. I want to copy this entire one. Copy. Just observe this is a table, and I want to create one more nest table. Nest table dot HTML. I'm creating one table, and just everything I'm copying. For that number of rows I want to remove just. First of all I want to this one dismiss that, and again go live. Automatically it will be available. Only student information, everything is there. What is our requirement? You may place within the table, you may place another table. For that I am using tr into how many rows you required. Suppose 5 rows. 5 rows is generated. How I can write? Just your see here, tr into how many rows you required. Suppose I required 3 rows. Just hit enter button. Automatically it will be created 3 rows. And within the each row, how many cells you required? How many cells? So you may require 3 cells. Suppose td into, suppose you may require 4 cells, right? Hit enter. Automatically tables are created, right? So in this way you can create td into 4, and again last row is td into 4, right? Everything is clear. It created 4 cells in each row, and I want to place with one row, within the one row I want to place. So just you observe this entire table, I am copying this entire table. Within the one particular cell we may add entire table. Yes, just observe the border color I am changing here, then you can clearly observe green. Cell spacing I don't want to require. Then cell spacing I don't want to require. Then you will be get, right? Within the table we may place another table, and you are having again you doubt, and just you copied this one right now. This is a table, and within this table again you can place this entire code. Copy, place. Within the table one more table is there, right? So in this way we design tables. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.